So as year passes by, there will be a path to them to the point of they won't no longer visualize the norm as entirely totally the same. They will have this so-called distinction that we are entirely different to them. So when you ask them, are we humans or are we dogs, they will naturally give you an answer that you are dogs because they have gotten accustomed to it. They are just the politicians, we are just mere dogs and puppets to them. And you see, that's ego. Ego and ego and ego and ego. It will it will appear apparently to the very first time that they sat on the position, they will realize what is the difference